Getting drips or full-on leaks during soft serve dispensing? If your Ninja Swirl is leaking from the nozzle or base, here's how to fix it before it turns into a sticky mess. Step 1. Check if the swirl press is fully seated. If the swirl press isn't locked into the nozzle correctly, it can cause leakage during operation. Remove and reinstall the swirl press. It should click firmly into place. Step 2. Inspect the nozzle for cracks or buildup. Remove the nozzle and check for dried mix or damage. Even a small crack or chunk of hardened mix can break the seal and cause leaks. Clean it fully and look for worn or broken plastic. Step 3. Don't overfill the pint or add too many mix-ins. Too much pressure from a packed pint can force soft serve out through the seams. Stick to the fill line and mix in chunky ingredients after the base has spun, not before freezing. Step 4. Clean the swirl handle and inner channel. Leaking near the handle usually means buildup around the internal parts. Disassemble the handle section and rinse thoroughly to clear any blockages or residue. Step 5. Check for damage to the inner seals or O-rings. Some models have silicone gaskets or pressure seals. If they're worn or missing, the unit may leak even when everything's assembled correctly. You may need a replacement part. Support link is below. Still leaking? Reach out to Ninja Support for part replacements or repair. The link's in the description, along with more troubleshooting help. If this guide saved your countertop, hit subscribe for more real appliance fixes. Drop your questions or leak stories in the comments. We read them all. Thanks for watching, and swirl clean.